You can use this Flash USDT on bc.game to play casino and also use this on stake.com. I've already transferred and played some bet, also use this on Exness for trading. So in this video, I will show you how you can create Flash USDT. First, go to Ethereum Remix website and follow my steps. Accept it and first click on create new file and name it usdt.sol. Now enter and go to this code link. You can get the code link from the video description. Select all the code and copy it and paste it all here on Remix. Close it. And now go to Solidity compiler. Choose the compiler version 0.8.30. Click on compile usdt.sol. Okay, now go to deploy and run transaction. Choose the Remix browser extension and select MetaMask and unlock your wallet. Type your wallet password and unlock it. Alright, now connect your account. So our account is now connected. You need around 0.03 Ethereum and some extra Ethereum to make 30,000 Flash USDT. Alright, now type the token name Tether and the token symbol USDT. Now click on deploy. On max fee field type 1 and confirm. Confirm the transaction on MetaMask. So our transaction was submitted. Wait for a few moments. Alright, so transaction is complete. That means our contract has been deployed. Now click on the Flash USDT liquidity bot contract and click on the three dots and open in Explorer. So this is our newly created contract address. Copy the contract address and send 0.03 Ethereum to the contract address. Alright, this is liquidity to create Flash USDT. Confirm the transaction. Alright, so our transaction is complete. Now let's refresh the page. Okay, so we have received our balance in our contract address. Now go back to Remix and choose the function start. And now click on transact. And on max fee field, do the same type 1 and confirm. Confirm on MetaMask. Okay, so our transaction is complete. Now choose the function withdrawal and click on transact. Do the same again, type 1 on max fee field and confirm. Confirm the transaction on MetaMask. This is our last and final step. So complete. Alright, let's check our MetaMask. Awesome, so we have received our Flash USDT in our MetaMask wallet. You can transfer it to bidding site and any exchange or trust wallet. If you encounter any error in code or have any issue, contact me on Telegram at Flash USDT Creator. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.